Every successful business owner I talk to says the same thing. They wish they had more time to chase big clients, more time to think strategically, more time to actually live their life. Here's the thing, you don't get more time, but you can automate the tasks that eat it. And right now, with AI, you can automate more than ever before. Today I'm going to show you how, step by step, no tech degree required. Let's clear something up. Automation doesn't mean robots taking over your business. It means setting up systems that do repeatable tasks for you automatically, without you lifting a finger every time. Think about all the tasks you do on autopilot, sending follow-up emails, posting to social media, answering the same customer questions, creating invoices, scheduling appointments. What if 70% of that just happened? Without you, that's what we're building. And the tools to do it exist right now. They're cheap, and they're surprisingly beginner-friendly. The framework is simple. Identify your repetitive tasks, find the right tool, set it up once, and let it run. Here's the thing about automation that nobody talks about enough. You don't have to be a tech person. Zapier and Make.com were built specifically so that non-technical people can connect tools and create automated workflows using a visual drag-and-drop interface. If you can build a flowchart, you can build an automation. The learning curve is measured in hours, not months. This is the highest ROI automation for most businesses. Studies show that responding to a lead within 5 minutes increases conversion rates by 9x, 9 times. Most small business owners take hours, sometimes days. The fix: connect your contact form or inquiry system to an automation tool like Zapier or Make.com. When someone submits a form, the automation fires off an immediate email or text using a pre-written AI-generated template. It sounds personal because you wrote it with ChatGPT, but it goes out instantly every time, 24/7. You can layer on AI here too. Tools like Go High Level use AI to have actual conversations over SMS, answering questions, qualifying leads, booking appointments before you ever get involved. Set this up once and your follow-up is faster than any competitor. Always. Here's the specific Zapier workflow. Trigger equals new form submission on your website. Action 1, send email via Gmail or your email provider. Action 2, add contact to your CRM. Action 3 equals create a task for yourself to review the lead. Total setup time, 2 to 3 hours. Time saved per week, easily 5 to 10 hours, plus the revenue from leads you would have lost by responding slowly. Content creation is a grind. Coming up with ideas, writing posts, making graphics, scheduling, it's easily a part-time job. Here's how you collapse it to a few hours a month. Step 1, use ChatGPT to batch write your content. Sit down once a month, give it your content pillars and your voice, and have it generate 30 posts at once. Tweak them, approve them. Step 2, use a tool like Buffer, Later, or Metricool to schedule everything. Set it and forget it. Your content goes out automatically every day without you touching it. Step 3, for visuals, use Canva's AI features or a tool like addcreative.ai to generate images for each post automatically from your text. The whole pipeline, content written by AI, visuals generated by AI, scheduled and posted automatically, can be set up in a weekend. Then you're just doing a monthly refresh. One advanced move, create your social media content as part of a larger repurposing system. Write one long-form blog post or film one long-form video per week. Then use AI to automatically break it into 5 to 10 shorter pieces, social posts, email newsletter excerpts, YouTube short scripts. One piece of content becomes many, and the automation handles the distribution. This is how solo operators maintain a multi-platform presence without burning out. If you have a service business, onboarding new client, is usually a bunch of manual back and forth. Contracts, questionnaires, welcome emails, scheduling, all done piece by piece. Automate it. Here's how. When a new client signs or pays, trigger an automation that sends a welcome email, delivers a link to fill out an onboarding questionnaire, sends the contract for e-signature, DocuSign, or PandaDoc, and schedules the kickoff call on your calendar. All of that can be automated through Zapier, Honeybook, or even a simple sequence in your email marketing tool. The client feels like they're working with a professional, polished operation. You did the work once setting it up. Now it runs itself every time. The hidden benefit of automated onboarding is that it sets the tone for the client relationship. A client who has a smooth, organized onboarding experience immediately trusts that you'll deliver work the same way. A client whose onboarding is chaotic, delayed emails, missing documents, unclear next steps, already doubts you before the work even begins. Automation solves the onboarding problem permanently. Getting paid shouldn't require your time, but for a lot of small business owners, chasing invoices is a weekly headache. Set up automatic invoicing through tools like Wave, QuickBooks, or FreshBooks. When a job is marked complete, the invoice goes out automatically. Set it to auto-send reminders at 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days past due, automatically. Pair this with Stripe or Square and set up automatic payment links. Make it easy for clients to pay the moment they get the invoice. No more manually tracking who owes you. No more awkward just following up emails. The system does it. Better yet, for recurring clients, set up automatic charge on card or ACH debit. The client authorizes the payment method once, and you bill them automatically each month. No invoices at all. This is how subscription businesses operate, and there's no reason a service business can't do the same thing for retainer clients. Predictable cash flow, zero collection effort. If you're new to this, don't try to automate everything at once. That's how you get overwhelmed and quit. Start with one workflow. The best starter automation for most business owners is lead follow-up. It's high impact and relatively simple. Go to Zapier.com or Make.com. Both have free tiers. Create a Zap that triggers when someone fills out your contact form and automatically sends them an email. Write that email in ChatGPT. Make it warm, personal, professional. Plug it in, test it, watch it work. Once you've got that running, add another, then another. 3 months from now, your business will feel like a completely different operation. The goal isn't to automate everything overnight. It's to automate the most painful thing first. See the results, get confident, and keep going. Every business owner who's done this has the same reaction after the first automation runs. Why didn't I do this sooner? That's the feeling that drives you to build the next one. Beyond the big workflows, there's a category of automation that most small business owners completely neglect: client communication after the sale. The money isn't just in getting clients, it's in keeping them, getting reviews from them, and getting referrals through them. All three can be partially automated. Post-project follow-up. 2 days after a project closes, automatically send a brief check-in email. Hi name, just checking in to make sure everything is working perfectly. If anything comes up, reply to this email and we'll take care of you. This catches issues before they become complaints and shows professionalism that most competitors don't bother with. Review request automation. 3 to 5 days after project completion, send a direct link to your Google review page with a short, genuine ask. Tools like Jobber, Go High Level, and Housecall Pro have built-in review request triggers. Set it up once. Get reviews consistently without ever thinking about it. Rienga, Gmint sequences. Every 90 days, a past customer who hasn't hired you recently gets a brief, relevant touch point. Spring is a great time to check your relevant service area. If you've been putting anything off, I have some availability coming up. This is automated. It runs in the background. You wake up to appointment requests from people who hired you 18 months ago. The math on this is significant. If you have 200 past customers and 5% respond to your 90-day re-engagement campaign each quarter, that's 10 warm leads per quarter at zero acquisition cost. Over a year, that's 40 leads from people who already know and trust you. No ads, no cold outreach, just automated follow-up on the relationships you've already built. Automation without measurement is just complexity. Every automation you build should have a clear metric that tells you whether it's working. For lead follow-up automation, measure response rate, percentage of leads who engage after receiving the automated follow-up, and conversion rate, percentage who become customers. Compare these to your numbers before the automation. If response rate improves from 20 to 35%, the automation is working. For content automation, measure posting consistency. Are you publishing as scheduled, reach per post, and leads attributed to social content? Most CRMs let you ask new leads, how did you find us? Track how many say social media before and after implementing content automation. For review request automation, track your monthly Google review volume. Before automation, maybe 1 review per month. After consistent automated requests, 4 to 8 per month. That compounding review count is visible in your Google search ranking within 60 to 90 days. For invoice and payment automation, track your average days outstanding before and after. If invoices that used to take 22 days to collect are now being paid in 11 days on average because of automatic reminders and easy payment links, that's real cash flow improvement with a real dollar value. Set a 30-day check-in for every automation you build. Look at the numbers. If it's not working as expected, diagnose why. Often it's a single element that can be improved without rebuilding the whole thing. Automation isn't the future of business, it's the present. And the business owners who figure this out first are going to have a massive advantage. Less work, more output, better client experience, and measurably better financial outcomes. Start with one automation this week. Just one. Pick the thing that costs you the most time, the task you do over and over that you wish you could just make go away. Find the automation that handles it. Set it up, test it, then do the next one. 12 months from now, if you build one new automation per week, you'll have a business that operates in ways you can't even fully imagine from where you're standing today. That's not hyperbole. That's just what happens when you consistently build systems over time. If you want more content on AI tools and business systems, subscribe and ring the bell. We break this stuff down every week in a way that's actually actionable. See you next time.